Hello, my name is Daniela Ceniceros Garza. I'm 23 years old. I was born in Monclova, Coahuila. I'm a mechatronics engineer, recently graduated from Tecnológico de Monterrey, Campus Monterrey. I grew up in a small town compared to the monster of Monterrey. My hobbies are reading books, especially from Milan Kundera, which is my favorite author. Also, I like to create my own recipes when cooking, mixing different ingredients together. And I like to paint and draw. I know the oil and chalk techniques. And I have a dog called Harry, which is 9 years old. And I like to go for a walk with him. I chose mechatronics engineering because it involves a lot of different areas of engineering, such as control and automation, manufacturing, industrial systems, etc. When I started college, I was on digital systems engineering, but I didn't like it because it involved a lot of computer science. And the projects I've been involved, well, the most relevant and important is the one that I was working on 3D Factory, which consisted of the design of a semi-automatic plastic injection machine. At first, by itself, the machine was manual. It required that the user randomly establish the melting temperature with any accuracy. So my partner and I designed a PD controller so the user could set the temperature to the thermal resistance, and when it reached the temperature, stop heating up. My dream job will be the one which I can build character with a great attitude and facing challenges, the one I could receive professional training constantly, and the one which I can learn always something new, apply all my knowledge and skills, but also the one which I can help others, because what defines me the most is social service. And how I see myself in 5 years, well, I have a dream of opening of a science and technology school for kids from 8 to 16 years old, the ones who care and want but can't have the opportunity to study. I want to change the way of teaching here in Mexico. During my studies, I participated in a lot of extracurricular experiences, such as social development coordinator, general coordinator, and dynamic contest coordinator. But let me tell you the most wonderful experience I had. I was general coordinator at the project called Sin Miedo a la Corriente. I was in charge of a whole team of instructors and coordinators. It was a social project. We taught electronics and programming to kids from 8 to 16 years old. The purpose of the project was that in the future these kids continue their studies and afford a professional degree. It was a challenge for me because I didn't know anything about administration or time management, and I've learned I had no mentor in the process. So I'm proud that at the beginning of my period, we began with 60 kids, and at the end, we finished with 160 kids at the program. So I would like to thank my team with this achievement. What I know about engie is that it's a French multinational electric utility company which operates on the fields of energy transition, electricity generation and distribution, natural gas, nuclear, renewable energy, and petroleum. It is one of the few players in the sector to develop expert skills in both upstream, which involves engineering, purchasing, operation, and maintenance, and downstream, which involves waste management and dismantling activities.